We shouldn't. Help! The pimples aren't going away. Ew, your eyebrows aren't much better either. It's like my face has been twisted. Oh, Sue, get up! We need you! We need you, Susan!
Who are you?
We can't check out my eyebrows. But it wasn't my pimples. I can't. Phew. Oh, it was a total nightmare.
Oh, what is this? They look so much like the girls from my dream. I guess I have a new mission. Sammy, you here? I guess I'm on my own. Hi y'all! Today we're making over paper dolls. Are you ready? Let's do it! First, we're cleaning her face with a cotton pad. Oh, see? It's done! We can move on! My beauty bag comes in handy. This will be a real makeup. This contouring will do for the start. Let's apply it on her face. Let the transformation begin. Something's off. Uh-huh. Shall we brighten her up? We have a great selection of colors. It's a real eye-opener. There you go. Much better. Let's move on to the eyebrows. We need to find a nice shape. Well, what do you think?
Ew.
Alright. What about these? Awesome. Great! Fellas, do you like the process? Give us a thumbs up. Now it's time to get to makeup. All you need is a bright palette and a brush. I like, this shade here. The mascara will add volume to your eyelashes. Instant effect! It really suits our dolly. The next step is bright lipstick. Let's go with the raspberry shade. Oh, you are so pretty. A thumbs up for me.
Ooh.
She got all fluttered and blushed. So cute. Okay, now it's time to dye her hair. Wow, so many colors. I'll go with bright pink. Which color is the best? This? Looks like she doesn't approve. How about the green one? Nice! Fellas, just use your favorite color. Your doll will love it for sure. Okay, so the makeup is done, hair and clothes are colored beautifully, but I won't leave you without some cool accessories! Woohoo! I have a great collection of all kinds and I'll help you choose. Let's try on these cute earrings. And add some rhinestones to your hair too. Check this out! This is the final look. The first doll is ready. And now it's time to move on to the next heroine. We have a big range. Who shall we paint next? Oh, they all look so stylish! I'll go with this picture now. But next, we'll color them all. Stay tuned! This time we'll start with the doll's hair. Make your choice, pencils or markers. Gotcha! Our heroine likes pencils. Then let's get started. And now let's make her face brighter with powder. Better yet, get a brighter color. Maybe some blush on her eyelids too? She's against it. I was kidding. Hurry back. Oh, whoops. We forgot to attach her eyes, eyebrows, and eyelashes. Uh-huh, nice. Let's keep going. This color matches her eyes. I want to try a different makeup this time. Who's with me? And now we can glue on the false eyelashes. Oh, they're so long. Well, the eye makeup is complete. I like this coral shade of lipstick. Now for the accessories. I'll pick these heart earrings. The other accessories are from this collection too. I also decided to color her clothes in red. Wow, I really like the result! And the doll seems to like it too. Okay now. Oh, a new heroine is already here. Just in time. Let's start with the face prep. Apply some. And go! I chose brown shades for her hair. I'm curious about the final look. And here's the eye color. Uh-huh, got it. I also picked eyebrows of this shade. Oh, wow. My favorite thing about makeup is always trying new things. Stay tuned and check out the result. I wish my makeup would always turn out great on the first try. Whoa! Have you seen my paper nail salon? The video is already on the channel. Now we're going to pick out a lipstick color. Uh-huh. The last step is choosing the accessories. We haven't had big earrings yet. I think we need to try them on, in case something mismatches. Uh-huh. Wow, everything looks great! And we'll proceed. With this doll, we're going to try something new. Ta-da! The Wheel of Fortune! Look how many choices are here. Let's spin the wheel. And first in line is… clothes! I love surprises. We haven't painted the clothes first yet. And now the second item. Eye color. Oh, this violet is so pretty. So let's dye her hair. What color haven't we tried yet? Red? Then maybe green? Blue? Bingo! Oh, this time we got the accessories! Stylist Susan has made her choice. Let's get you an express makeup. Whoosh! And the final touch is a bright lipstick. If you like the result, give us a thumbs up. And I'll change the heroine. Oh, hello there! You look a little pale. I think you should eat. I like her hairstyle so much. And with a new hair color, she'll look even cooler. Now let's match her eye color to the hair. Why don't you pick out your accessories? Okay, here you go. Well, we're done here. I approve the result. And we're down to the last drawing. Hello, darling. Let's brighten you up. What color should I choose for your hair?
Hey, Susie, think! What would I choose, huh?
Oh, great idea! Thanks! Sam's been hooked on yellow lately, so I'll try it too. We'll use some pink too. Let's add a few bright strands. Also apply the blush on her face. The doll has eyes like two sapphires. And straight, neat eyebrows. The next step is eye makeup. Let's go! The lipstick should go with the whole look. Add volume to her eyes with the eyeliner. And finally, I'll paint her clothes. I wish I could color my outfit as easily. I've put together an accessory set. Whoops. Let's move everything into places. And the last heroine is ready to go. Let's have another look at them all. Would this style work for me? Should I try it on? The hair would be easy to replicate. And I have a choker too. Oh, I love this.
Sue? Holy cannoli, you look great!
All thanks to our craft today. Okay, I'm up to date. Bye.
Huh? I think I missed something interesting. Well, fellas, give us a thumbs up so I can participate next time. Bye-bye!